Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So what we're going to do on this episode is go through 3 Solana tokens that I think have massive potential. So nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. Invest at your own risk. We are also May 22nd of 2024. So keep that in mind. In my opinion, I think it's a great opportunity to pick up something that could moon and something that's a little more, I guess you would say, safe. So I'll explain that a little bit. I want to keep it short and brief, and comment down below whatever questions you guys have and what other kind of content you'd like to see in the future. So coin market cap, we are at a $2.61 trillion market cap. I just did a video, so on the channel, if you go to the homepage, you should see this video, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. It was the first video with this setup. So check that out if you want. But let's talk about 3 tokens. And we're going to go from, high risk, more potential reward, in my opinion. And then we'll get into what I think is a little bit safer. So number 1 is going to be a meme. Okay, so if you are looking for a degen pick, the Moose has one for you. It's going to be CatWifHat. Okay, so it's CWIF. So CatWifHat, and I'll get into some of the reasons. Mainly, what I do like is that we are at a $33 million market cap. Okay, this thing's breaking out, and because DogWifHat's done so well, and again, I own 0 CatWifHat tokens. I did own a little bit. I was messing around with. Actually, I'd probably pull up my wallet. I'm going to be doing some tutorials. This is my ledger. I just started getting more into Solana. So I kind of got wrecked messing around a while ago, but then I did well with the GameStop. Held the Moonbag. The Moonbag hasn't done so well. But CatWifHat, why do I like it? Well, the name works. It's goofy. And again, we're talking about a boot. So Canadian, right? Talking about a meme token there, eh? So we're going to try to get on the website here. The Moose is connected on like 80 different tabs there. But again, a $33 million market cap. This thing has yet to really go nuts. And if you look at the Solana memes, let's take a look at those. So you get the memes. Let's see what's at the top. The DogWifHat, that's a 3 billion. So this thing could go nuts. Now, circulating supply could be an issue. Who knows? Again, these are memes. It's sketchy stuff. For whatever reason, I guess the site can't be reached. Not sure what's going on with CatWifHat. The CatWifHat has been hacked. It was not the Moose. So, yeah, like that's one that I think could do well. I just think the name is there. It's goofy. And if you're looking for an absolute degen pick, for those reasons, I mean, nothing else. I mean, you could absolutely get wrecked on this. Somebody could dump on you. I have no idea. I don't own any, but this is just one that I think could go nuts. So let's get into more of a serious one. This is going to be Jupe. So this is the Jupe aggregator. I like the colors. I like the branding. I like that this is the aggregator for Solana. So let's open up. It's jupe.ag, and I've done tutorials in the past. This is what got me into Jupe, or Jupiter. And Solana a little bit. So here I've got a wallet connected. So let's get into kind of what you can do. So if you want to swap tokens with Solana, you would connect to a DEX, a decentralized exchange, connect your wallet, and then you would do your swap. With the Jupe aggregator, what it does is it aggregates the top DEXs, and it reroutes and gives you the best price for your swaps. So Jupe has a lot of potential. The airdrop was phenomenal. But this thing really, as Solana goes up in value, this thing's going to crush. So let's say you want to pick up some tokens, okay? Let's say you want to swap 1 Solana, 180. What it's doing, so right there you saw GME, is it's aggregating and finding you the best price. So right now it's finding 10% from Orca, 90% from Radium. So it's going to aggregate and get you those prices. So if you take a look at the list, say we wanted to get that CatWifHat, of course you'll have the fee. Let's say we do 810. Okay, we wouldn't do that much. Let's say we're doing like 2 Sol, 350 bucks ish. This is how it's going to hop it for you. So if you take a look there, it's going 10%. Where's the 10% from? So you got radium and etc. Let's see if it's showing easier here. Yeah, so basically it would allow you to like find out, you know, if you're going to get the best rate on your tokens. So that's basically it. There's not really much else to talk about in that sense. It's just if you want to do swaps, if you want to get into limit orders, if you want to DCA into certain Solana tokens, you can do that. So the DCA is cool. So say you want to buy Solana every minute with a set amount, you can do that. So let's say I put Solana, let's say I put half of it and I want to start DCAing into CatWifHat, because we were just talking about it. It will buy it every minute for you, and the platform would take a 0.1% fee. Like, this is cool. This is where DeFi's at, right? So on top of that, we're at a $1.6 billion market cap. This thing could 50x very easily. That's if the market starts shooting up. A lot of people are going to use Jupe. I think they have a lot of plans, and I see this as a very serious project. A very serious project. So comment down below if you agree. I think the Jupe Ag is phenomenal. Okay, so number one. So we went through number 3, 2, and 1. 1 is going to be Render. Okay, so let's type in Render. Render has a lot of potential. I think this thing can still go nuts. I'm surprised I'm not even hodling any right now. I'm just trying to hold some of my Sol safe until it really goes up to that 500-600 in my opinion. Again, nothing should be taken as financial advice. So why do I like Render? Render fits in that AI GPU space. So Render is a decentralized GPU project. So let's get into the website. And the other thing I do like about it, I'm trying to hide my head here. So there's the moose's head. There's a screen. We've got Ethereum contracts, Solana contract, and Matic. So this thing you can pick up on, of course, Jupe. So if you do have some Sol, if you have some Solana, you could do half, go over here, pick up some Render. I just don't have my wallet on me at the moment. So make sure you're using the right, you know, the right asset ID number here. So here it's doing one hop. So basically it's pulling from Radium. Cool. All right. So that's how you can pick up Render. Just go using the Jupe Ag if you are interested in that. So let's go to the website. And again, the big thing, and by the way, I believe they had a presentation with NVIDIA. So NVIDIA, the player in the actual hardware for GPU mining, in, you know, you can imagine the video game world where we're going in the future, this is all going to be needed, right? So about the Render network. The Render network provides near unlimited decentralized GPU computing power for next generation 3D content creation. So this is going to be all across the board. If metaverse gaming is going to thrive, I believe Render will do well along with it. So as you have realistic games, it takes a lot of computing power and you want it to be decentralized. So the Render network is the first decentralized GPU rendering platform, empowering artists to scale GPU rendering work on demand to high performance GPU nodes around the world through a blockchain market for idle GPU compute. The network provides artists the ability to scale next generation rendering work at fractions of the cost and at orders of magnitude increasing speeds, etc. So yeah, definitely something to consider. So Render is a project that I think could do very well, especially with the narratives, right? I think a lot of people are going to continue to talk about this going forward. It's going to be interesting. So again, the problem, it's that you're going to need a lot of scalability when it comes to GPU rendering, so a better use of power, etc. But the big one is for media, industry, augmented reality, mixed reality gaming, medical, virtual reality. Okay, so maybe we can get Jules Urbeck on the channel, or any one of these guys. Is that JJ Abrams? Dude, Dude, I didn't know that. Chairman and CEO at Bad Robot, of course. That's J.J. Abrams, dude. He's like the best director ever. I don't know if you guys have ever seen Super 8, the movie. Phenomenal. Damn. Okay. That is very interesting. But this is going to be big for film, TV, media, etc. I think this is an absolute winner. Guys, comment down below if you agree or not. I think it's going to be a no-brainer. So we'll have more videos in the future. Guys, check out the link tree if you are interested, speaking on that a little bit, for the cornucopia file nodes, right? You can pick one up using the affiliate link. I would get a small kickback, I believe, for it. So I haven't seen anything come in yet. But guys, use those links. You can definitely pick one up right now on Base. Okay, so I don't know about ADA, but on Base for sure. We have the Dega Realms NFTs, so support Dega. If you guys are interested in getting in on an early, basically an ISPO phase project, you guys can check out the Dega Realms. Also, pick up a Loose Moose NFT. We have the ADA plates. And also, pick up a hardware wallet, right? You got to use protection. Use coupon code MOOSE. Save 10% off the Tangent and up to 25% off the Trezor Model T. And I also have online courses. And guys, follow us in the Discord. Follow us all over the interwebs. The moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.